why fat would accumulate in the liver, okay, a fatty liver. Of course, there's a version where you drink alcohol and you get fatty liver, but I'm talking about both cases. It only occurs in a very acidic body when acidosis is present. This means your kidneys are not filtering, your lymph system is not moving. And the body will use fat or any kind of alkaline chemistry, calcium, doesn't matter what it is, to bind to acids to protect you. And in the liver's case, it's usually going to be fat. So if you want to remove this, you have to address the cause of it, which means the body is not alkaline. You got to get the body alkaline, get the body to an alkaline state, and you'll be able to to remove the actual cause of the fatty liver. Fatty liver comes about because the body is acidic, because you're not getting rid of acids. The body takes the acids, binds to alkaline material, and it creates both stones and fat. So stones for kidneys, stones for the gallbladder, for tonsils, and usually fatty liver is the cause. So I would be 100% fruit diet. I'll use herbs for the entire body, but extra herbs for the kidneys. Okay, always kidneys. As you can see, everything's pointing to the kidneys, and this is because the kidneys are the doorway to your health. It's the primary way of removing metabolic waste. And if it's damaged or is not working efficiently, the acids that it's supposed to remove via the lymphatic system backs up. And these acids will start affecting tissue, organ, and glands. Excess mucus is produced, mucus suffocates the cells. It's always kidneys, lymphatic system, adrenals, those three. And that's why we have the fabulous 3T, Fab3, because of the kidneys, adrenals, lymphatic system are crucial when you're trying to heal the body. You got to address those.